for that speed, mock interview helped me. I won't be able to give interview round without the help of mock interview course in this app. I saw watched that videos. From that, I got to know how to prepare for that, because theory though we are used to, we are giving for last 10 years MCQs, but interview round was first thing for me. So how to prepare for that? I think app helped me for that thing.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Aditi for scoring an AML rank of 22 and CML rank of 27 in MCH plastic surgery. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you.
So great to have you in the session. Thanks for sparing your time to share your valuable experiences with us. Can you know a brief background about yourself from where you started till date, what all you have done?
So actually, I completed my MBBS from Chirayu Medical College, Bhopal in 2020, and then I have done DNB General Surgery in Max Hospital, Delhi, which was completed in 2022. So it was my first attempt in INISS. I've joined plastic surgery as a non-academic SR in my hometown PGMS Rohtak. So I think there I got to know that I'm interested in this branch. So I think mostly that 3 months experience helped me to clear this exam. But like during the stage two, I was very clueless how to prepare, and for that speed, mock interview helped me.
Very good, doctor. Congratulations. And
Thank
can we
you.
know your methodology of preparation, what all you did, and how you worked hard to achieve this rank?
I think it was like a um, first attempt, so I couldn't study much. But whatever I was exploring during my SR ship, I used to like read that topics only, and I used to solve MCQs only. So I think it was that's it. Whatever I used to see in the cases, and I used to solve MCQs for that, and then I used to discuss the same thing with my professors and seniors. Yeah, so I think I just got lucky that I used to score good. All
Great.
those cases which were very common, which we usually see in any plastic surgery unit, only that simple questions were asked. So I could easily rule out with the options by elimination method, and I could attempt.
Great, wonderful, doctor. Now, can you know how many number of questions you answered in this exam?
Actually, there were total 80 questions. I attempted all of them. Because I got my exam done early. I was having 15 minutes spare. So I just, eliminated the option, and I attempted all, because I was sure that I have to attempt more than 70 to score a rank. But eventually I ended up attempting 80.
Great. Doctor, can we know what is the message that you want to give for the junior aspirants who are aiming for MCS plastic?
Um, the message, I think the best decision which I took was to join an SR ship in the branch itself. So, actually, general surgery is definitely a very good branch in itself. But if someone wants to do a super specialization, and if the person is determined enough, he should first explore that branch and then make sure of it. And then he can apply INI. And in INI also, I realized in during that mock round also, they were more focusing on what was your previous exposure, what all you have seen. So they are not talking about theory much. They are talking about your exposure much. They want to know how much dedicated you are for that branch. So if you have a previous experience in that branch, then you can easily attempt the exam also. And there are more chances to get score better in interview round also. So that is what a message I can give.
Great. I mean, time to thank, and whom all you wish to thank. You can use the platform to thank all of them who helped you from day
Yeah.
one till date in your career.
Yeah, thank you, Sam. Thank you so much, sir. I think I won't be able to give interview round without the help of mock interview course in this app. I think I think it was 1 week before I saw watched that videos, and from that I got to know how to prepare for that, because theory though we are used to, we are giving for last 10 years MCQs, but interview round was first thing for me. So how to prepare for that? I think app helped me for that thing.
About the speed app, you're talking about the speed app.
Yeah. Yeah, there was mock interview videos which I went through, and I noted down important topics through that. And
Uh,
sir helped me. I think there was a Zoom link also in which sir told me about all the aims. He has himself done MCH from AIMS, so he told his experience also, and we could ask questions also. So I asked many questions during that video also. And I think that one face to face Zoom link was very actually very good. And yeah, so
Great. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a
thank you.
great and wonderful and
Thank you
amazing
so much,
career
sir.
in MCH plastic surgery. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.